Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. So a while back I asked ChatGPT to make me a strategy that will use EMAs and candlestick patterns, and well, it came up with something like this, called it the EMA trend and pullback reversal pattern. Basically what it uses, it's three EMAs right here, the 9, which will be gold. Well, I've colored it gold, but we'll get to that. The 21 and the 50. Now, chat suggested that we use 1 minute to either the 1 minute or the 1 minute to 5. Sorry about that. 1 minute to 5, but I prefer the 5 minutes. You'll see why. And okay, for buys, again, price is above the 50 EMA, meaning that the bias is bullish. Now, the 9 has to be above the 21 EMA, and what we do, we'll be waiting for a pullback to the 21 EMA. Now, remember we said it's an EMA plus candlestick pattern, so we'll focus on these three. At least that's the top 3 patterns for reversals, and then for entries, we'll enter at the close of each of the candlestick pattern, meaning as soon as the hammer is completed, that's when we buy. As soon as the bullish engulfing is complete, so on and so on. For sales, it's the other way around. 50, the price is below the 50. The 9 has just crossed below the 21, and again wait for a pullback, and these are the patterns here. Now, to take profit, I'll use the 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, and stop loss 3 to 5 pips beyond the pullbacks. Anyways, you'll see that. Oh, and very important that we trade only the London and the New York, meaning since I am in Eswatini, we will trade between 10 a.m. and 11 p.m. since the New York session closes at 11. So I've gone on and plotted my EMAs. Again, this is the 50, the 21, and this is the 9. Gold is the 9, black the 21, blue is the 50. For now, maybe I'll go back, say, to the 20th of August. Let's try that. August 20th. Yes, August 20th. Yeah, I am using Go Chatting only because it has the replay tool for free. Trading view. Yeah, no, I don't have that kind of trading view. Right, where am I? 25 June. No. I said August 20th. Yeah, 20th August. Thank you. Okay. 28th of August. We started midnight. Although that's not really when we trade, because again we trade from 10 a.m. Okay, this is midnight right here. Can I get a lines and measurements, a vertical line? Yes. About here. Okay, never mind. Close this. So this is where we start, right? Let me, okay, let's remove this because we want the replay. Okay, so what's the time now? Okay, 10. London is opened, right? This is 9:55, so it doesn't count. All right, everything seems to be bullish so far. Bring it down here. Okay, things seems to be bullish. So remember what we are looking for. Either one of these. So is the 50, is price above the 50? Yes. Is the 9 above the 21? Yes, it is. So everything is okay. Let's keep playing. Excuse me. Let's pull back to the 21. Okay, hold. Let's look at this one. This candle right here. Can I get an arrow? Okay, this one pretty much looks like a hammer. So I'm gonna take it. No. Thanks. Okay, we're taking the hammer. What do? We buy after it has formed, right? About here. A 1 to 2. That's a 1 to 2. It's close. We play. Okay, not looking very good. Okay, we're stopped out. For our first trade, that was a loss. Alright. We close. Okay. See, half 2, there's half 2. New York open, right? But price is above the 50 and I'm not liking that. So let's wait, see how it plays out. Okay, we're coming back. Alright, pause. Okay, now that's, I'd say that's an engulfing, a bit tricky though. But let's sell anyways, see what happens. Sell about here. Okay, that's good enough. Because remember, stop loss. Where's the stop loss? Alright, stop loss should be 3 to 5 pips beyond the pullback or the high. So with this plus that, and then 1 to 2. Okay, with that, let's see how it plays out. There you have it, take profit. Let's take profit for you. Okay, second trade. That was a win. Same day. right? Let's close this. I think that's it for the day, and then we go on to the next day. Okay, so the time right now, it's quarter to 10, 15 minutes to 10, and I was just looking at what the Tokyo session was doing. I mean, it's all over the place so far as the EMAs and everything are concerned. But then right about here, a breakout, go to the downside, but then all the way to the upside again. Let's find out what happens when London opens. That's 10:05. Okay. Okay, now let's hold. The time 10:30. We're way past open, right? And there's this big spike, which would suggest that probably we have news or something on the 21st. On the 21st. We can't call it engulfing, but no, I'm not happy. Most likely news, so let's see what happens. Have to. I mean, everything looks bullish. And there could have been something. Look at that. We're shifting. Are we? That's just a pullback. That's just a pullback. Okay, now we're shifting bearish. Time. Okay, hold. We definitely had news events on that day. Have to. Alright. Let's see what happens. Okay. Okay, hold. Now. That I would say is a bearish engulfing, followed by a big bearish candle. So I'm gonna cheat on this one only because there's this fair value gap. Yeah, I know the strategy never mentioned anything about fair value gaps, but if I sell here, good lord, where's my stop loss? Let's say at the top of this. This is very risky. I wouldn't recommend this one. That's okay. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm in. Yeah, no. Oh, that was close. Now that was really close. Almost stopped out, but a win is a win. Trade number 3, that was a win. Good one. Okay. I think that's it for the New York session. Let's see what happens the next day. Okay, what's the time now? 5:10. 5:10, and the price has just shifted to bullish. We've been bearish. I mean, we consolidated at around midnight. Consolidated. This is Tokyo. Went bearish a little bit, but now we're just shifting bullish. And okay, so first these first 2 candles, I won't consider this. So let's see if we get anything. good enough. Ooh, hold. I'm looking at this one. Nope, not you. The 1045 candle, right? Remember we said isn't that a hammer? Let's see again. 1045. Well, does look the part. No, whatever. Let's buy. No risk, no Ferrari, somebody said. And let's stop loss it here. 1 to 2. Oh, that's a bit too much. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, that's close. Okay, stopped out. Wow. All right. What happened? Okay, still a trade we lost. Oh, this one trade we lost. Huh. Okay, keep going. Wait a minute. Okay. Now that's a proper bullish engulfing. Yes. And let's buy again. Oh. Yes. The conditions are okay. Remember the 50, a price is above the 50. The 9 is above the 21. Is that the case? Yes, 9 is above the 21. So I buy when the bullish is fully formed about here, right? As 1 to 2. That's fair. Yeah, that was close. Okay, I tagged in. That was close. Pull back in. Ooh. Okay, New York just, oh, wait. Okay, New York just opened. And I am worried again. Let's try this. I think we're good, but don't speak too soon. Whoa! What? When was this? 22nd. Oh, ain't that something? Okay, that's another trade. That's a win. Close. Okay, it has been the weekend and we are back on the 25th August, and London has just opened. Well, it seems we're about to shift bearish because the Tokyo session has been all over the place. Yes, there was a bit of bearish as of from midnight, bearish then, but then it also shifted, and now London open. It seems we're going bearish. Let's see what happens. Okay, we're coming back. Remember, looking for any of those three patterns. Keep going. Let's close. Okay, hold. Now, it's not much of an engulfing, but let me see what this looks familiar. We are bearish. Yes. If I'm not mistaken, I'm looking at it either a shooting star or an evening star. Let's see again right here. I'd say that's what I'm looking for. Specifically an evening star. That's an evening star. So I saw here. So here, stop loss just above the 50 with a 1 to 2.4. Okay, let's give it 2.07, and then we go on. All right, okay, pause. That's TP. Now, yes, yes, I was late, but between the no, I wasn't late. Oh, late or not, if I had actually placed my order, what's the price? If I place my order here, I would have been tagged in, and that's a sell. So that's another trade win. All right, we go on. What's the time? Yeah, forgive me guys, potato PC, still working on a new one. 12:30. Okay, we keep going. We are bearish. Okay, pull back. All right, nope, wait. Okay, we're shifting to bullish. Let's see what happens when New York opens. New York will open about here. Okay, hold. New York has just opened. We pull back from the bearish right here. Went bullish a little bit, but we're back bearish again. Let's keep going. Technical is still bullish, but let's see what happens. Yeah, that's all over the place. And still bullish. Okay. Okay, hold. Are you seeing this right here? What pattern is that again? We are bullish. Can I call it the morning star? Oh no, it's red. But with the hammer, I've come to realize that the color is not that important. But see how this hammer has a fair value gap? Okay, this one doesn't. So it then comes down to no risk, no Ferrari, or how you want to look at it. So I'm gonna stay this one out. Maybe something else will show. Let's keep going. Look at that. Would you look at that? See? Alright. So we've shift bearish. But I'm not seeing anything. Okay, hold. Okay. So actually I lied. Right here. I'm gonna call bearish engulfing. I know it's still small, but let's sell anyway. Oh, this is no, this is when it closes. Closes here. I know my stop loss should be right here, but no ways. I'll put it here. Okay, just at the 50. It was okay at the 50. And then 1 to 2 target. 2. Yeah, that's it. Would I have been tagged in? Yes, tagged in right here. Let's keep going. I was about to say that's a bit slow, but it's coming. Okay. Nope. Okay. That's TP, right? So when did we enter? 25 to 6. When was TP? 10 past 8. Yeah, it was a bit slow for scalping. Anyways, that's another trade one. Okay, on to the next day. Okay, so it's the next day, the 26th, and London just opened. Now, ever since midnight, it's been all over. We've been all over the place. I mean, a bit of bullish, been bearish, consolidating. So let's see what happens. Okay, we've just shifted bullish. So pull back, I would say. Okay, hold. That's a pullback, right? Again. Ooh, this one is good, real good. See right here? The 11 o'clock candle. That's a hammer, right? yeah, I'm sorry, right here is my hammer. It has a fair value gap. 11 o'clock candle hammer has a fair value gap following it. If that's not a clear sign to buy, I don't know what is. So we buy. Okay, few pips below. That's okay. 1 to 2, right? Okay, 2.05. That's okay. Oh, just like that. When did we enter? 11 o'clock. When is TP? 20 past 11. That's scalping for you. Now, most likely, I wouldn't have been tagged in since it's a valid hammer because I confirmed with it's a valid hammer because my confirmation was, let's remove this. My confirmation was the fair value gap. So let's see if it did ever pull back to tag me in. 2.11. Yeah, I'll cheat on this one. I'll take it. It's another trade one. So keep going. It's another pullback. Okay, yeah. Remember one thing. The rule said we wait for a pullback to the 21 EMA, and right here we're up, right? We broke structure to pull back to the 21. So anything that comes after here, it's not much of an engulfing, but the next candle does tell you that okay, we're still going up. Either way, we've just left both these. So even if I bought here, right, stop loss just here, take profit 1 to 2. Am I still? Yes, I'm tagged in. And there you have it. So that's another trade, but let me not count this one as part of my testing how good the strategy is. Just showing you. Okay, let's keep going. What's the time? Ooh, hold. Okay. New captures has just opened, and yeah, it's a pullback. Right. The opening is part of the pullback. Okay, let's keep going. Are we going bearish? Seems we are. Yes, we just. Oh, not yet. I don't know what we're doing. Hold. Wait, what? No. Whoa. Okay. Okay, hold. Alright, so the EMAs are saying we're bullish, but then price itself still hasn't shown me anything. So I'll wait for price to hit my 21, the black line, then we'll see what happens. Okay, there we are. Now what I'm waiting for is imminent engulfing or any. Okay. Ooh, nope. Okay. I don't know what to call that, but that's quite a big candle, right? Quite a big bullish, not engulfing, but just a green candle. Decisions. The time, what's the time? 10 past 5. Decisions. Yeah, no risk, no Ferrari. So I buy here. Just about here. Okay. This one might not pan out. Yep. Okay. Hold. Hold. Alright. So trade lost. Why did I lose this one? It was well after the second half of the New York session. Yet my strategy said trade mostly at the open, so not to sell. Let's keep going. Okay, so that's the 27th, and London just opened. London is opening. We are bearish. We have been bearish ever since midnight, and very bearish, which is quite weird for Tokyo to be doing this, but then the market is the market, right? Okay, I mean, right off the bat, one would say this is something. Oh, actually, this is the open, but let's hold. Let's see what happens. Okay. Yeah. Oh, all right. Are we shifting or? Okay. Interesting. Okay. So prices pull back. Actually touch the 50, but it is just pull back, and then it seems we're going bearish again. So let's sell here, right? So, but good God, where's my stop loss? A teeny bit above here, and might take profit. Okay. Time 12 o'clock. See what happens. Okay. Okay, good break of structure. And TP. Yes, TP an hour later. Ooh. Okay. It's another trade one. Okay guys, it's been a long video and I will close it off here. uh I've only tested GBPUSD 5 minutes. I took 10 trades as of the 20th, from the 20th, and we stopped at from the 25th. Oh, 5 days later. And out of 10 trades that we took, 10 trades on the London and New York session, we lost 3 and we won 7. That's a 70% win rate. That's very good. Maybe on the next video I should try Euro USD. Otherwise I will end my video here. Please remember to